Help your little adventurers explore safely, even after dark. The best children's flashlight offers fun, brightness, and durability designed for small hands. Perfect for camping, bedtime reading, or backyard adventures, it ensures kids enjoy light-filled experiences with safety and excitement every time. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. Kid Galaxy Children's Flashlight. The Kid Galaxy Children's Flashlight is a fun and educational tool that brings light and adventure together for kids. Designed with young explorers in mind, this flashlight is simple to use. Just squeeze the trigger to illuminate any dark space. The integrated handle ensures a comfortable grip perfect for small hands. Whether it's for indoor play, bedtime reading, or backyard adventures, it ensures kids enjoy light-filled experiences with safety and excitement every time. It comes with 3 discs featuring 24 unique dinosaur images, turning any wall, door, or surface into a prehistoric scene. Kids can learn about different dinosaurs while projecting the images, making playtime both fun and educational. The flashlight also encourages creativity, allowing children to play shadow games or create imaginative stories. Safety is a top priority, as the flashlight is made from non-toxic, durable plastic that can withstand rough play. It's also independently lab tested to ensure there are no sharp edges or unsafe materials. Number 2. AS Reindeer Children's Flashlight. The AS Reindeer Children's Flashlight is designed to bring both fun and function to your child's daily activities. Its soft light cover emits a gentle glow that's easy on young eyes, providing the perfect amount of brightness for bedtime reading, storytelling, or nighttime adventures. With 8 vibrant color modes, children can customize their lighting experience to match their mood or imagination. Made from BPA-free soft silicone and durable ABS material, it's safe, sturdy, and built to handle playful use without breaking. The flashlight can also transform into a magical wand, making imaginative play even more exciting. One of its best features is its rechargeable design, powered by a 1,000 milliamp hour battery that lasts up to 7 hours. Parents don't have to worry about replacing batteries or safety issues, as the USB-C rechargeable system keeps the battery securely enclosed. Number 3. Melissa Children's Flashlight. The Melissa Children's Flashlight is a delightful combination of cuteness, simplicity, and practicality. Shaped like a cheerful ladybug, it instantly captures the attention of young children while serving as a fully functional flashlight. The design includes 6 sturdy ladybug feet that allow the flashlight to sit steadily on flat surfaces, preventing it from rolling away. It features an easy-to-grip handle and a simple on-off switch, making it perfect for small hands. Although batteries are not included, it operates on just 2 AA batteries, providing convenient and reliable light whenever needed. Whether used indoors for bedtime reading or outdoors during backyard adventures, this flashlight encourages screen-free fun and creativity. It's ideal for children ages 3 to 6, promoting independence as they explore safely in the dark. The durable construction ensures it can withstand daily use, and the frontal design adds charm to any child's toy collection. Parents appreciate its simplicity and sturdiness, while kids love its bright beam and fun appearance. The Melissa flashlight makes an excellent gift for preschoolers who love imaginative play, helping them explore, learn, and have fun in a hands-on way that sparks curiosity and joy. Number 4. KidzAdventure Children's Flashlight. The KidzAdventure Children's Flashlight brings excitement and creativity to every child's camping or play experience. Designed as part of the brand's Adventure collection, it features cute animal characters like a curious fox and a friendly bear that inspire imaginative outdoor exploration. The fox-themed LED lantern is not only adorable but also practical, delivering up to 100 lumens of light for as long as 10 hours. It runs on 3 AA batteries and includes 2 lighting modes, one from the fox's body for use as a lantern and another from its eyes for torch mode. The clever belly button switch adds an extra element of fun while keeping it easy to operate. The flashlight set also includes a rechargeable kid's headlamp with bright, wide beams and 3 light settings: bright, dim, and flash, making it perfect for nighttime play, camping, or reading in the dark. The adjustable headband ensures comfort while the fluorescent design makes it easy to spot in low light. Safe, sturdy, and full of character, this flashlight encourages adventure and independence in children while helping them learn to navigate safely. It's a charming and reliable lighting companion for all little explorers. Number 5. NEBO Children's Flashlight. The NEBO Children's Flashlight stands out as a compact yet powerful lighting tool designed for both kids and adults. Measuring only 2.64 inches in length, this tiny powerhouse can emit an impressive 1,000 lumens, making it one of the brightest flashlights in its size class. With 5 lighting modes, turbo, high, medium, low, and strobe, it provides versatility for every situation, from nighttime play to emergency use. The durable construction ensures water and impact resistance, ideal for young adventurers who love exploring. Its removable clip and magnetic base make it easy to attach to hats, backpacks, or metal surfaces, adding hands-free convenience. The rechargeable mag cable dock allows easy recharging in just 2 hours, ensuring the flashlight is always ready for action. The Power Memory Recall feature saves your last brightness setting, and Smart Power Control helps extend battery life. Though compact, it delivers exceptional performance and reliability, making it a great tool for teaching kids responsibility while giving parents peace of mind. Perfect for camping trips, reading under the covers, or backyard adventures, the NEBO flashlight combines professional-grade brightness with kid-friendly usability and design. Like the video? Hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon.